Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Epic Games launcher on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your social media accounts. Once you are logged into your account and taken into the home page, if you wish to set up two-factor authentication, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account. This will now open up the account settings within your web browser page. Now from this page, click on Password and Security at the left side and then scroll down and you will see the two-factor authentication options. There are various different options for two-factor authentication and you can also set up multiple ones if you wish. Just click on the setup option alongside the one that you wish to set as your two-factor authentication method and you will be asked to enter the credential that you want to add. Just type in your phone number or your email address and click on the continue button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to this method. Just enter the verification code that you receive and your two-factor authenticator will be set up right away. You can also use an application by scanning a QR code from the respective authenticator app and entering the security code. You can remove these two-factor authentication at any time by clicking on the three dots at the right side and clicking on Remove Method alongside these authenticators. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.